Evening, guys. Welcome back with the additional of Friday, September the 13th, 2024. We have here 7 extra puzzles. Those puzzles are the letter Sudoku, 2 stars, 3 stars, and a 4 stars Sudoku. We have 2 jigsaw Sudokus, one with 4 stars, one with 1 star. In Dutch, they call it cipher block. In Japanese, Suguru. And the last puzzle is the binary puzzle. And these puzzles, I'm not interested. Total of 7 extra puzzles. 4 of them I will solve in the evening. This evening, not all. Why not? Well, it's too much for me, time consuming, and I need the same time for uploading it to YouTube. Yeah, otherwise it will be a day job for me. And besides, I've already solved 3 puzzles this afternoon, so there's a lot of puzzles for a day. Alright, this one will be number 9269, and before I start I always count to printed digits. This one has 30 printed digits. Well, usually the 3 stars puzzles has 25, this one has 30. Should be a 0 stars. For 0 stars puzzle I need 14, maybe 13 minutes. Well, the publisher has indicated with 3 stars. For 3 stars puzzle 20 to 30 minutes. Question is this 3 stars or 0 stars puzzle? We don't know, we'll see. So let's get started. Let me see. How about three in this row, 3 in the last row. So the row between the only place left with the 3 should be there. 2 numbers left now in this row. 4 numbers to 1 is missing. The 2, the 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 is missing. 1 and 9, 1 and 9. We have a 9 in the middle column, no 9 there. 9 should be here and 1 goes there. 1 in this row, 1 in the mid, 1 in the last row, 1 in the row above. So that row, the only 2 places left for the 1 should be here or there. We have a 1 in this column, no 1 there. 1 should be there. Then let me see. 4 missing numbers now in this big square. 2 of those missing numbers are the 8 and the 6. We have 8 and a 6 in this column, so no 8 and 6 in these 2 boxes. 8 and 6 goes in those 2 boxes as a pair. 8 and 6, 8 and 6. We have a 6 in this column, no 6 there. 6 should be here and 8 goes there, so 2 numbers left in this big square. 4 numbers to 1 and 2, 3. 4 is missing and a 5 is missing. 4 and 5, 4 and 5. Let me mark those 2 boxes, okay? 8 in this row, 8 in the row below. So last row, the only 2 places left with 8 should be here or there. We have 8 in this column, no 8 there. 8 should be there. 2 numbers left now in this big square. 4 numbers to 1 and 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 is missing. 8 and a 9 is missing. 7 and 9, 7 and 9. Let me mark those 2 boxes. So we have an 8 in this column, 8 in that column, so the column between the middle column, the only 2 places left for the 8 should be here or there. We have an 8 in this second row, no 8 there. 8 should be there. 8 in this column, 8 in the last column, so the column between the only 2 places left for the 8 should be here or there. We have an 8 in the first row, no 8 there. 8 should be there. 8 in this row, 8 in that row. So the row between the middle row, the only 3 places left for the 8 should be here or there. We have 8 in the third column, no 8 there. 8 in the second column, no 8 there. The only place left for the 8 should be there. And all the 8s are used. I can see digit number 1, number 8. Then, let me see. Need 7 here. How about 5 in one of those 2 boxes in this column, 5 in the middle column. So the column next, the only 2 places left for the 5 should be here or there. We have a 5 in this row, no 5 there. 5 should be here. 5 in this row, 5 in the middle row. So the row above, the only 2 places left for the 5 should be here or there. We have a 5 in the first column, no 5 there. 5 should be there. 5, 5. Okay. Cannot continue with the 5 now. Need to wait. Then 7 here. Need a 2 here. Okay. Come on. 6, No 4 here. 6 here. 6 there. Well, we need a 6 here. Yeah. 6 in this row, 6 in the second row. So in the third row, the only 2 places left, the 6 will be here. Or there we have a 6 in this second column. No 6 there. 6 should be here. 6 in the third column. 6 in the second column. So in the first column, only 2 places left, the 6 will be here. Or there we have a 6 in this row. No 6 there. 6 should be there. 6 in this row, 6 in that row. So in the row between the middle row, the only 3 places left for the 6 will be here, here, or there. We have 6 in this column, no 6 there. We have a 6 in the last column, no 6 there. Only place left for 6 should be there. And all the 6s are used. I can see digit number 2, number 6. Alright. Then 3. 3, 3. Well, 4 need a 4 here. Yeah. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 missing numbers. One of the missing numbers is 4. We have a 4 in this row, no 4 in these 2 boxes. We have a 4 in one of those 2 boxes in this column, no 4 in those 2 boxes. So the 4 in this big square could be here, could be there. 4 in one of those 2 boxes in this column, 4 in one of those 2 boxes in that column, so the column between. The middle column, the only place left for 4, a should be there. 1 box left now in the middle column for number 1. The 2 is missing. 4, 4. Okay. 4, 4 need a 4 here, need a 4 there. Okay. Well, need a 7 here, need a 7 there. Come on, come on. 3 and the 9, 3 and the 9. Yeah. Well, in this column we need a 9. Well, 9 should be here. 9 in this column, 9 in the middle column, so the column next, the only 2 places left for the 9 could be here, could be there. 1, 2, 9, 1, 2, 9. Come on, come on. 2, need a 2 there. 4. In this big square, we need a 4. We have a 4 in the middle row, no 4 in these 2 boxes. We have a 4 in the last column, no 4 in those 3 boxes. So the 4 in this big square could be here, could be there. 4 in this column, 4 in one of those 2 boxes in the column next. So that column, the only 2 places left for 4 could be here, could be there. Need a 1. Need a 3. 3. Come on, come on, come on. 2, 9, 4, 2, 9, 4, 2, 9, 4, 9. Well. 4, 5, 7, 9, 4, 5. We have a 5 in this column, 5 in the second column, so the third column, only 2 places left for 5. Could be here, could be there. 1 of the missing number in this big square, number 4. We have a 4 in the middle row, no 4 in these 2 boxes. The 4 could be here, could be there. 4, 1, 9. And 7. We need a 7 in this big square. We have a 7 in the first column, no 7 there. We have a 7 in this row, no 7 there. So the 7 could be here, could be there. 7 in this row, 7 in one of those 2 boxes in the middle row, so the row above, the only 2 places left for the 7 could be here, could be there. Well, 7 in this row, 7 in the second row, so the first row, the only 2 places left for the 7 could be here, could be there. Here we have a 7, Here we have a 7, that means in the last column we need a 7 here then. Okay. Because here we have a 7 and here we have a 7. Those are pairs then. So 4 is missing, 1 is missing, and 2 is missing. 2 and a 4. 1 and a 2. 2 and a 4. Yeah. We need a 1 in this row. Here can be 1, we have 1 in this column, no 1 there. Here can be 1, we have 1 in this column, no 1 there. So the only place left for 1 in this row should be there. So 2 numbers left for numbers 1. The 2 is missing, 2 and a 4. Oh, we have a 2 in this big square, so this can be 2 anymore. This box should be a 4. And that box in this row for number 2. And I've eliminated here the 4, so the 4 goes here. Then 2 in this row, 2 in that row. So the row between the middle row, the only place left for 2 should be there. 1 box left in this big square for number 1, 2, 3 is missing. 1 and 9. Okay. We have a pair, the 3 in this column, the 3 in the middle column, so it'll come next. Only 2 places left of 3 goes together with the 9 as a pair. So the other pair in this big square numbers, 1 is missing, 1 and 4. How about here? 4, 7. Need a 2 here. 2 in this column, 2 in the column next. So last column, the only 2 places left, the 2 should be here. Or there, we have a 2 in the second row, no 2 there, 2 should be here. 2 in the third row, 2 in the second row, so in the first row. Only 2 places left, the 2 should be here. Or there, we have a 2 in the third column, no 2 there, 2 should be here. 2 in this column, 2 in the third column, so the column 3 in the second column, the only 2 places left, the 2 should be here. Or there, we have a 2 in the last row, no 2 there, 2 should be here. And all the 2's are used. I can't see. Digit number 3, number 2. 1 box left now in the first column for number 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 is missing here. 7 and a 9, we have a 9 in this row, no 9 there, 9 should be here, and the 7 goes there. 1 box left now in this column, I believe the 9, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 is missing, and I've eliminated here the 7, so the 7 goes there, and I've eliminated here the 4, so the 4 goes there. 1 box left in this big square for number 1, the 2, the 3 is missing. Mark those 2 boxes early with 1 and 4. We have a 4 in this row, no 4 there, 4 should be here, and a 1 goes there. I've marked those 2 boxes early with a 3 and a 9. We have a 3 in this row, no 3 there, 3 should be here, and a 9 goes there. And 2 numbers left in this big square for numbers, the 1 is missing, the 2, 3, the 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 is missing, 1 and a 9, 1 and a 9. We have a 9 in the first row, no 9 there, 9 should be here, and a 1 goes there. And then 1 box left in this column for number 1, 2, 3 is missing. 2 numbers left in this big square for numbers, 1 is missing, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 is missing, 1 and a 9, 1 and a 9. Well, cannot fill this yet. Well. Here also 4 and a 5 are left in this row. We have a 4 in the third column, no 4 there, 4 should be here, 5 goes there. 1 box left in this big square for number 5. 2 numbers left in this big square for numbers 1, 2, 3, 4 is missing, 5, 6, 7 is missing, 4 and 7, 4 and 7. We have a 4 in the third column, no 4 there. 4 should be here, and the 7 goes there. Mark those 2 boxes early with the 7. We have a 7 in this column, no 7 there. 7 should be here. Final 2 numbers in this big square for numbers 1 is missing, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 is missing, 1 and 9, 1 and 9. We have a 1 in this column, no 1 there. 1 should be here, and the 9 goes there. Finish in 14 minutes. Well, let me give this a 1 star. Not a 3, not a 2. 1 star. I'm faster than 50 minutes. Definitely 1 star. We solve it again, and I like this one, yes I really do. Do you think so? Thumbs up, otherwise thumbs down. You can also download this PDF file so you can make it or solve by itself. Thank you again for watching. See you in a minute with other 3 puzzles. Until then, bye bye for now.